Hello lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to verify your address on Adsense without the Adsense PIN. This video is quite different from the videos we usually upload on this channel. This video is specifically for YouTubers who have problems with their Adsense PIN. Before you can use this method, you must have requested for your PIN 4 times. So after your first request, you need to reapply 3 times. You can do so by clicking on the resend button in your Adsense account. With this method, you'll be required to provide some information and upload a document such as a bank statement, national ID, driver's license, international passport, or any other proof of identity you have. I am in Ghana, so I used my Ghana card. So if you are also in Ghana and you have the Ghana card, you can go ahead and take a clear picture of it and then you can use it. Now let's get right into the steps. First, you need to log into your Adsense account. I clicked on the 3 dots above to use the desktop version. After you've logged into your Adsense account, click on Verify. Then after you clicked on Verify, click on Learn More. After that, scroll down to where you will find Troubleshooter, PIN Troubleshooter. Click on it. So you need to check the email to see if that is your Adsense email. If it's your Adsense email, go ahead and click yes. But if it's not, click no so that it can direct you to your Adsense email. Then after that, have you received your physical PIN mailer? No, I have not received my PIN. Contact support team. Upon checking your account, it looks like you have already requested 4 PINs. In this situation, our specialist team will be able to help you further with the PIN verification. Please contact them directly through this contact form. Remember, I said you must apply 4 times before you can use this method, so click on contact form. So we need to fill this form with the correct information. The first field requires your name. Make sure the name is the same as the one in your document. So I went ahead and I put in my full name as in the document. Then the email is already there. I need to go and copy my Adsense publisher ID from a different tab. So you just need to click and then you go to payments, click on payment info. I then went ahead and copied my publisher ID. Then I came and then pasted it in my form. Now click on choose files and then go and select the document you like to upload. So I selected my Ghana card. It is uploaded. So check everything to make sure the information is correct. If it is correct, everything is okay, then you can go ahead, scroll down, and then you click on submit. And that is the final step. The form has been submitted to Adsense support. We will try to get back to you within 24 hours if your query is about your own account and requires an action from our side. However, depending on the volume of messages that we receive, it may take up to 48 hours or longer for us to reply. Thank you for your patience. So they are basically saying that my form has been submitted. Guys, in 2 minutes time, I checked my email and my account has been verified. Thanks for sending your proof of identity. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for Adsense. So they are basically saying that my address has been verified and I can now go ahead to include my form of payment. So if you have problems with your PIN, please follow these steps to verify your channel manually so that your YouTube channel will not be demonetized. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Also share this video so that other YouTubers who have similar problems can benefit from it.